This brand is from Pure Pro Products and is available exclusively through FW Web Company, a distributor of HVAC and plumbing supplies in 9 states in the northeast part of the USA. The boiler bodies are made by Boyertone Furnace and feature durable cast iron construction. They are 3-pass low-mass boilers that use recirculating flue gas technology for increased efficiency. They can be direct vented for convenient installation and are backed by a pretty good guarantee. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.